Kettle in November 2022. This is October the 2nd. As at August 2023, it was already, the whole nuts were already loosened out. I've had better kettles in the past that lasted up to 4 years, and I just needed a new replacement. So I'm really surprised because I really love the kettle. But look, I have fixed it several times, but it's screwed out. The screw is out. It's really unfortunate. It's rather unfortunate because I love the kettle. I don't know if I can get a replacement since I bought it in November 2022 and this is October 2023.
I like my new teapot. It looks good on my stove and in my kitchen, matches well. But the whistle is somewhat anemic for me. I like my teapots to sing, and this one hardly squeaks.